Hi everybody, it's Amy. So if you guys have been following my journey, I started composting inside the house. It's my first time ever composting. This fell, the wind blew it down, my brand new planter. So I'm gonna take this, insert it in here, and start this process outside. I'm gonna need to keep going bigger and bigger. For right now, this is what I have. I don't feel like running to the store for a Rubbermaid container. And it's still icy out. I don't know if you guys can see on my deck. It's still snowy and icy, so I can't do anything with the ground yet. But this needs to be cleaned out. Blueberries, eggs, lettuce, onions, a bunch of stuff. It's time to clean this out so I can start a new one. Oh, gross. So gross. Okay. It's okay though. It's all for the good of the garden. Oh, so gross. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna put a top on it. But here's the update on the compost, guys. It was time to empty that bucket. This is a good size. This will get me through a couple of weeks. 3, 4, maybe even a month. Then I can go to something bigger and hopefully the ground won't be frozen by then. Then I can start doing something out where I want to put the garden. Oh, the doggy wants to come outside. So this is where we're at. Thanks for following my journey. Thumbs up. Any gardening or composting tips, leave them down in the comments.